Okay. All right, guys, let's do a quick recap. Okay, who can remind us how would we calculate this first, the perimeter? And by the way, guys, what is my symbol for perimeter? How do I write perimeter when I'm looking at this question? Actually write down. Does anyone remember how to calculate for perimeter? Good. Poluka says capital P. Yes, capital letter P. Excellent. Thank you, Keisha and Lingom. So capital P is equal to. Then I need to calculate for this lovely looking shape. It looks like a bookmark to me, at least. Okay. Who can help us out? Who can help me calculate the perimeter for number 3? Shoot. Thank you, Sila. I see it. I see it. Lungomso, do you want to take us through it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, tell me, what am I going to write? P is equal to?
P equals to 5 centimeters.
Good.
Plus 3 centimeters.
Mm-hmm.
Plus 2 centimeters.
Mm-hmm.
Plus 2 centimeters.
Good.
Therefore, our answer is 12 centimeters.
Oh, okay. Well, you've given me this side. This is 3, this is 5, this is 2, this is 2. What about this side, though?
Oh, it's 5 centimeters.
Good. So what do I need to do on the end? Plus?
Plus 5 centimeters. Therefore, our answer is 17
Therefore,
centimeters.
P is equal to?
17 centimeters.
Excellent. P is equal to 17 centimeters. Thank you. Thank you, Lingom. So that's pretty easy, actually. You did that really well. It's just you missed a little bit. Small bit on the side. All right. I need a volunteer to help me with number 4, please. Calculating the perimeter of number 4. Oh, Samkele. Samkele, can I ask you to raise your hand for me? Otherwise, we won't be able to see and I won't be able to ask you. Are you able to raise your hand?
No.
Oh, hello, but I can hear you perfectly fine, which is good. All right, Samkele, what am I writing down?
10 P equals 10 centimeters plus 10
Good.
centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus
Good.
2 centimeters.
Good. Okay. What do I then say?
P equals 24 centimeters.
That's good, but you forgot my therefore. Therefore, P is equal to 24 centimeters. Very well done, Samkele. Samkelo, not Samkele, Samkelo. Thank you, Nokwezi. Nokwezi is reminding us. Therefore, okay. Awesome. All right, guys. So this is what we did on Monday. So if you were not here, we were just calculating for perimeter, and we were looking at the perimeter around any particular shape and how we can calculate for that. It's just a length. Now, what we're going to be doing, I think actually we should do rectilinear shapes first. We're going to be looking at calculating the perimeter of a rectilinear shape. Now, the word rectilinear has the word rectangle in it. You see that? Rectilinear. Somewhere the word rectangle comes out. Rectangle. Okay. Now, what rectilinear means is that it's almost like a rectangle, but it's not completely. Now, if we look at this first one over here, if I were to fill in this part over here like that, that would then be a full rectangle. And if this side of my rectangle is 4 centimeters, what is this side over here of my rectangle going to be equal to, guys? Tell me in the chat. I'll wait. I think you guys are still typing. Good, Nokwezi. Excellent, Keisha. Nice. Oh, Samkelo, be careful. We're looking at the side over here. It's going to be 4 centimeters. Okay. Good. We know that it's going to be 4 centimeters. But now, guys, have a look. My picture over here tells me that this part of my rectangle or my rectilinear shape is 2 centimeters. So what is this part here at the bottom over here? How long is this part of my shape going to be? Good, Boloko. Excellent, guys. Okay, so if this part over here is already 2 centimeters, that's the same as this part over here being 2 centimeters. So this bottom part over here is going to be 2 centimeters. Keisha, not maybe, absolutely. It's 2 centimeters. Okay. All right. Guys, I just found out that our lightning alarm has gone off and there's a hectic storm coming. So if I do lose power, I'm very sorry. Teacher Kat, can I share these notes with you if that's okay? I don't know if we will lose power or not, but I just need to, err on the side of caution. Okay, guys. Actually, let me just explain something quickly. All right, so this whole side over here is 8 centimeters. That means this side over here is also going to be 8 centimeters, guys. So can you tell me if this over here is 4 centimeters, how long is this part over here going to be? Excellent, Samkelo. You're seeing it now. Good, 4 centimeters. Okay, good stuff. All right, so here's what I actually have. Let's put it all in nicely. Okay. I have 2 centimeters over here. And over here, I have 4 centimeters. Okay. Do you guys think you can calculate the perimeter of this shape? Thumbs up, thumbs down. In France, oh my goodness. Hi, Roland, no worries. Can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down? Do you guys think you can calculate the perimeter of this shape? Excellent. I know you guys can do it. It's pretty easy now that we know how to look for the sides. Okay, so remember, guys, remember how we write it? Capital letter P is equal to, add up all the sides, and when you're done, please don't put the answer in the chat. Please put the celebrate emoji in the chat. Put the woohoo, this emoji. Okay, I'm going to try and share my notes with Teacher Kat before the storm descends on me. But you guys, please calculate for this shape quickly. And now I feel like I'm going to be sharing your personal information. Can you see this on the screen where it says type email? Can you actually see it, Teacher Kat?
Yes. Didn't you share this notebook already? So it should be updated when you keep updating it.
No, not this
Before
one.
you shared the TA one, remember you shared your original one?
It wouldn't be this one, it would have been the one before.
Oh, okay.
I'm unfortunately going to have to share this one. Are you okay with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll
Hopefully
just blur
nobody.
it.
Yeah, we will ask Jordan to blur it first there. Okay, so I've shared it with you. Okay, and we're done there. All right. So Mila's giving me a fire emoji, but a couple of people are giving me the celebrate emoji, which I love. Awesome, guys. Amazing stuff. I'll give everyone else a couple more, like 1 more minute, and then we'll discuss the answer to number 1. If you're already done with number 1, go ahead and try number 2. Okay. Not lightning alarm, lucky. It's not lucky. It's quite scary to think that we might get stuck in a storm. It's not lucky. That's okay, Keisha. Thank you. And Google it too. All right, that's it, guys. All right, so let's look at how we would calculate for this. P is equal to, and I'm going to start on this side, 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. Therefore, P is equal to 24 centimeters. All right, okay. Now, I would like someone to unmute for me and tell me how long is this green side over here going to be in order for us to calculate the perimeter of this question. Yes, Roland. First off, are you okay? Let's start with that. Hi, Roland.
Hello, Miss.
Hi, how are you doing?
Not so good, Miss, but I'm pulling through, Miss.
Okay. All right. I'm sorry to hear that, but I'm glad you're with us today. Okay, so this green bit that I've just drawn here, how long is it going to be? If this whole side over here is 9 centimeters, let me draw it in. If the whole rectangle would be 9 centimeters, how much would the green part be?
6 centimeters, Miss.
Excellent, 6 centimeters. Okay, and let's draw this other one in purple. If this whole side over here is 5 centimeters, and this one down here is 4, how much is this tiny bit over here going to be?
Which I must account.
The small one, this tiny little one in purple. This one over here.
Oh, that one, Miss. I think that will be 2 centimeters, Miss.
Would it though? If this whole thing is 5 centimeters and they've already cut out 4 centimeters, how much is that one going to be? How much is going to be left?
3 centimeters, Miss.
It can't be said 3 centimeters. Okay, let me clean this up a little bit. Hold on. Let me clean it up. Okay, so if this is my rectangle, right, and this whole section over here, this is 5 centimeters, right? If from here to there is 4 centimeters, how much is this little bit over here going to be?
1 centimeter.
Good, it's 1 centimeter. There we go. It's 1 centimeter. Now we can actually put this whole thing together. Okay, because we now know that this part over here is 1 centimeter, 9, 5, 3, 4, 6, and we can calculate for the perimeter. Yes?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, all right. I'm going to give everyone, including you, Roland, a second to do that. Okay. You guys have all got 1 minute to calculate for the perimeter. All you need to do is just write in the chat, capital letter P is equal to. Go for it. I'll give you guys a second. When you're done, pop the answer in the chat for me. Oh, thank you, Nokwezi. Do not forget the therefore, capital letter P. Oh, Bukang did exactly what I asked not to do, guys. Don't forget, therefore, capital letter P is equal to something, something, something. Okay, don't forget that, Bukang. Thank you, Bukang. Look, remember how you're writing it. Okay. And I'm getting 3 different answers, so I'm not quite sure yet what to believe. I'm getting way too many different answers, guys. Keisha, if you can, but let's just see what the answer for this next one is. Okay. That's okay, Iminati. I know it's holiday. Sometimes you just want to rest. If you want to go and rest for today, that's okay as well. Thanks for letting us know. Remember, the recordings are available, so you can go and watch them afterwards. No, Kwezi, you forgot your units. Okay, guys, let's calculate. I'm going to do it the long way, but you guys don't have to. So I'm going to go P is equal to 1 centimeter plus 9 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. Now, if I calculate 1 plus 9, that's 10, plus 5, that's 15, plus 3, that's 18, plus 4, that's 22, plus 6, that's 28. Therefore, P is equal to 28 centimeters. So for all of you who said P is equal to 28 centimeters, well done. You guys remembered how to add properly. Very well done. For those of you who are like 27, I think you may have missed that 1 centimeter that you also had to add. Do not forget the 1 centimeter. Okay, let me get another hand. Somebody needs to tell me the missing dimension in number 3. I can tell quite a lot of people missed that 1 centimeter. Maria, okay, let's look at this one. What is the length of the side that I've highlighted here in blue?
Ma'am, 3 centimeters.
How did you get to 3 centimeters though?
Ma'am, I saw that the opposite side is 6 centimeters, and then that small side underneath is 3 centimeters. So then
you could tell that side is 3 centimeters. Excellent. That's
yes, ma'am.
very well done. What about this side over here?
Ma'am, it's also 3 centimeters.
Oh, how did you figure out it's also 3 centimeters?
Ma'am, I saw that the top line is 10 centimeters and the bottom one is 7 centimeters. So I minused 7 from 10 and I got 3.
Excellent. You did that so beautifully. Amazing stuff. Well done, Maria. Very, very well done. Excellent. Okay, so now everybody, guys, give me the perimeter of this shape here, number 3 in the chat. Go for it. Remember to add all the sides, guys. Don't forget a single side. Excellent. Thank you, Bokang. Bokang this time even added, therefore, I love it. Awesome stuff. Well done, guys. Okay. All right, let's see. Let me see if I believe you guys. Okay, capital letter P is equal to, I'm going to start on this side over here, 6 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 7 centimeters. Okay, let's add all that together. 6 plus 10 is 16, plus 3 is 9. 19 plus 3 is 22, plus 3 is 25, is 25 plus 7 is 32, 32 centimeters. Therefore, P is equal to 32 centimeters. Those of you who got 29 centimeters, which side did you skip? One of you skipped a side, each of you skipped a side. Let's count the sides quickly. Okay, there's one. Actually, let me just remove this quickly. Okay, look at the sides that we have. 1, 2, 3 sides. So many of us forgot the third 3 centimeters. You guys added 2 of them instead of adding that one as well. So just make sure that you're checking you're making sure that you're putting every single side on the rectangle. Yeah, I can tell many of us missed that third side, guys. It's very important for us to pay attention to it. Okay. Samkelo, not you. You did great. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Apart from the mistakes that we've made, can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down? How are we feeling about rectilinear, the perimeter of rectilinear shapes? Okay. I need us to be okay with the perimeter of rectilinear shapes because we are also going to do the area of rectilinear shapes. So I need you guys to understand this one 100%. Okay. Okay, let me have a look. All right, guys, there are 19 of us. I'm hoping for 19. The perimeter, the reta something. All right, Nokwezi. I'm hoping for 19 thumbs up. Rondile, Teacher Cat will be in Durban soon. Good. I'm glad we understand the perimeters. Okay, one last test. You guys have 3 minutes to answer question A, B, C. And when you're done answering these 3 questions, okay, put the fire emoji in the chat for me. Do not put your answers. Put the fire emoji. You guys have 3 minutes. Go. I can tell you guys now, number C is very tricky. So be very careful, guys. Think about the sides that we're looking for. And remember to take screenshots so that you can go and look at it again when you're done. Excuse me, I'm drinking Coke, so now it's making me burp. It's not wine, it's Coca-Cola. I don't think I'm allowed to show the branding, but I'm drinking Coca-Cola. No, guys, I can't drink on the job, guys. It's illegal to drink on the job. Because Coca-Cola is very protective of their branding. Okay. No, Kwezi, I'll email you some Coke. No worries. I'll email you some Coca-Cola. All right, guys, 1 minute left. We should be getting to the end now. I'll give you guys an extra minute. Sure, Roland, sure. Excellent, guys. All right, that's your time up. Let's look at this first one over here. All right, so I'm missing this tiny little piece over here. I'm missing this piece over here. I know that this long side is 4 centimeters and the side opposite to it is 3 centimeters. So over here, I'm going to have 1 centimeter. Okay. All right. So if I calculate it all, P is going to equal to, and there goes the rain, 10 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 1 centimeter. I hope everybody added their 1 centimeter this time. Pop your answers for me in the chat, everyone. Therefore, P is equal to 13, 14, 16. What did everyone get? No, Kwezi, is that an error?
Isn't there one side missing?
Am I missing a side?
The 8 centimeters. You know, opposite 10.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Teacher Cat. I missed the whole side, guys. See? I was testing you guys. You all failed. Teacher Cat's the only one who passed. This side is also missing. And if that side is 10 centimeters and they've given us 2 centimeters, this should be 8 centimeters. Okay. So plus 4 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. Therefore, P is equal to, I was testing you, Nokwezi. 10, 13, 14, 16, 28 centimeters. There we go. This should be 28 centimeters. Nokwezi, you don't know my life. I was testing you. All right, guys. Okay, pop the answers for number B in the chat for me, please. Okay, I'll keep my face okay, Roland. I will. Oh, Samkelo forgot to add one again. Oh, all right, guys. This time I'm sure only one side is missing. Only one side is missing.
It's 2.
No, 2 sides. Oh gosh. Teacher Cat, I'm just okay. So there's a tiny little side over here. Yes, I was still testing you, Roland. Yes, I was testing you. And if the whole rectangle has a 6 here, then this side over here is going to be 1 centimeter. And the side over here, if the whole side is 6 centimeters and they've given us 3 centimeters, this side is going to be 3 centimeters. Oh, guys, be careful that 1 centimeter really does hide. It really does hide. Okay, let's look. Capital letter P is equal to 6 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus 6 centimeters. Guys, give me your answers in the chat. Therefore, capital letter P is equal to, how much is that equal to? And the addition is not the difficult part, guys. No, Roland, this time I did not miss the 1. I remembered it. Oh, Keisha, I'm not sure why, because my camera is on. I see you, Roland. Okay, 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 1 is 18, plus 6 is 24 centimeters. Okay, excellent. 24 centimeters. Thanks, guys. All right, now let's look at C quickly because C is a little bit trickier. Okay, now they tell us that this side over here is 6 centimeters long, and they tell us that this tiny bit over here is 1 centimeter long, but they don't tell us what this long side is. Did anybody manage to figure out what this side over here is? And can you tell us how you did it? I don't think it's going to be 6 centimeters, Google it too. Look at it carefully. Remember, if I want to finish off my rectangle, I'm going to have to include that 1 centimeter over there. So this is going to be 6 centimeters and 1 centimeter. So how long? Good, Samkelo. Yeah, how long is the side going to be? Samkelo, you've got it. Sila 2. Excellent, Sila. There we go, Google it too. We're finally seeing it. That side over there is going to equal to 7 centimeters. Excellent. All right, I'm missing one more side. Okay, I'm missing the side over here. See, teacher cat, this time I remembered. I remembered. The last side over here is going to be how long? Well done, Samkelo. Not 2, Sila. Have a look. This whole side is 7 centimeters and they've given us 4 centimeters. If they've already given us 4 centimeters, that means the side over here that's missing will be 3 centimeters. Okay, now we can calculate for the perimeter, which is the easy and nice part. P is equal to 7 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus 3 centimeters. And don't forget that last 7 centimeters there. And then I'm going to write it down here. Therefore, P equal to 7 plus 6 is 13, 17, 18, 21, 28. Thank you, Sila. There we go. P is equal to 28 centimeters. Okay, don't forget the centimeters, Google it too. Okay. All right, guys. I think we're pretty okay with this one. Okay. Now we're going to have to do something a little more different. Okay. I'm going to give you guys the perimeter. And you guys need to give me a side. Ooh. Sure, this one might be a little bit tricky, but let's think about it, okay? So now when we calculate the perimeter, okay, and I'm going to write this over here, sorry, all sides are equal. All sides of each of these shapes are equal, okay? Now, if I tell you guys that this side is 10 meters, this side is 10 meters, how much is all of this together going to be equal to? Count how many sides we have and tell me what is the perimeter of this entire shape. How many sides does it actually have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and Google it, who's got the correct idea, not centimeters. Nokwezi. Keisha, count again. Keisha, you're missing it by just a little bit. Just a little bit. Good, meters. Okay, let's count them again. Make sure I didn't make a mistake myself. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if each side is 10 meters, how much is my perimeter going to be, guys? If there's 7 sides, good. 7 sides of 10 meters, then my perimeter is going to be 70 meters. Good. Easy stuff. Now let's look at number 2. Each side is going to be 6 centimeters. How many sides do I have, guys? Count for me. How many sides is that? Good, it's 10 sides, right? So, Bukan counted 1 too many. Okay, it's 10 sides, so we're going to get 10 times 6 centimeters. And what is my answer going to be? Well done, Samkelo. Not just 60. Guys, don't lie to me. Good, Samkelo, 60 centimeters. Okay. Do not forget the measurement, guys. 60 centimeters. Thank you, Somila and Nokwezi and Guguletu. Excellent. 60 centimeters. You were testing me, I see. I passed. I passed. All right, guys, let's do the last one here quickly. 27 millimeters. Sila, I absolutely passed. How many sides do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides that are 27 millimeters each. So how much is that going to be? Well, what is the perimeter of this going to be? I know I have 5 sides that are 27 millimeters each. Therefore, P is going to equal to, thank you, Guguletu. Excellent. Yeah, no, because it's not difficult at all. Okay. 135 millimeters. Okay, easy stuff. Right. But that's not where we were going, actually, Nokwezi. Here's where we were going. This is what we're looking at. And we're going to continue looking at it again on Monday. But we need to understand this, guys. Okay, now what I've given you is the therefore. I've given you, therefore, P is equal to 60 meters, right? And I want to know the length of each side. How do you guys think we can calculate for that? Yes, Roland, what do you think we can do?
Must I think that we can like times or something else.
Okay, but what are we timesing 60 by? Even if we were going to times, what would we times it by?
Excuse me, miss.
If you're saying we're going to times, what are we timesing with?
But then like
It's a little bit
the
more
numbers
complicated.
of but you see the numbers of the edges, miss. And you know the numbers of the sides, miss.
Okay, so I'm going to go, how many sides do we have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. So if I have 10 sides, I'm going to go 60 times 10, which is going to give me 600 meters. Is that what we're doing?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, that's an idea. Does everybody agree, or does somebody else have an idea of what we can do? So, okay, because what Roland is saying is that if I have 6 or 10 sides and the perimeter is 60, then each of the sides is 600, 600, 600, 600. Nokwezi says disagree. Okay, who agrees and who disagrees? Tell me why if you disagree. Maria also says disagree. Those of you who say disagree, I need one of you to raise your hands and explain. Yes, Maria.
Ma'am. So, ma'am, it's supposed to be equal and it's meters. So I said 60 meters divided by 10 side, which I got 6 meters.
Excellent. That's exactly what we need to do, because remember, if they're all equal and they're 10 sides, instead of multiplying, we're going to
Divide.
Well done, Maria. Excellent stuff. Very, very well done. It's a good catch there. 6 meters. 6 meters. Well done. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
So what Maria is telling us is that each side is 6 meters. And if we add them all up together, okay, if we add them all up together, they're going to give us a perimeter of 60 meters. Okay, let's look at the second one and then we'll do a very quick brain break. Okay, let's look at this one over here. They tell us that the perimeter is 84 centimeters. So therefore, P is equal to 84 centimeters. No worries. Okay, therefore, P is equal to 84 centimeters. I now have to count how many sides I have. How many sides do I have, guys? 7 sides. I've got 7 sides. Good. Now, if I've got 7 sides, what is the length of each side going to be? So what I have to do is take 84, divide by 7. And how much is that going to give me, guys? Let me know. Excellent, Maria. Nokwezi, the answer for me? Good. The length of each side is not just going to be 12, guys. It's going to be 12 centimeters. Don't forget my centimeters. Okay. I want you guys to do the last one for me. Do number 3. Okay. Give me an answer for number 3. We know we can look at it. It's a square. Squares have 4 sides. And if the perimeter, therefore, P is equal to 36, how much is each side, guys? Let me know in the chat. It's not going to be 8, Sila. There we go, Banele. Well done. Excellent stuff. Well done. No worries. 9 millimeters.